of Manila Cathedral Basilica, although the Mass is held 2 hours before the procession.
Si Aaron ba nandyan din?
Ayun.
Pwede magpungkol. Diretso kayo. Oh, diretso lang.
Passing before us is the parish priest and shrine rector of the Diocesan Shrine of Nuestra Señora Dolores de Turumba, St. Peter of Alcantara Parish, Paquil, Laguna. Reverend Father Jerry Oblepias is the parish priest and shrine rector accompanying the next image. Narito na po ang ating mga kasama mula sa Paquil, Laguna. Kasama po ang Banda 1 mula sa Paquil. At Banda 2 mula din sa Paquil, Laguna. At ang ating mga kasama mula sa bayan ng Paquil, Laguna. Sila, babangkitin na po natin ang mga kasama ng ating susunod na ilo. Sister Cynthia Cornoles, President of the Cofradia de la Turumba. Brother Peter Evangelista, President, Parish Pastoral Council. Sister Estela Soriano, President, Parish Finance Council. Honorable Vincent Soriano, Municipal Mayor of Paquil, Laguna. Brother Christopher Kahima, President Alagad ng Birhen. Jeric Martizano, President Banda 1. Alan Pasang, President Banda 2. John Larry Vitor, President Banda 12. We would like to acknowledge the Hermanos of the 2024 Grand Marian Procession, Ms. Maria Victoria T. Burgos, Ms. Evelyn Del Rosario, Ms. Aurora E. Aismendi, Mr. Clifford T. Chua, Mr. Kessler Hugo, Reverend Father Vincent B. Lina Jr., Ms. Pe Rodriguez, Ms. Aleli Sibal, and Ms. Maria Victoria C. Yulo. Narito po sa ating harapan ang Banda 1 mula sa Paquil, Laguna.
Para maunti ang sumama sa inyo. Para maunti.
Ewan lang po.
Taon-taon po sumasama sa ating posisyon ang mga taga-Paquil. The nagpapasalamat po. At hindi nyo kami binigo ngayong taon. Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Turumba. This image is enshrined at the parish church of San Pedro de Alcantara and diocesan shrine of Our Lady of Turumba in Paquil, Laguna. The legend about the Virgin dates back to 1788 when fishermen came upon a sheet of tin floating on the waters of Laguna de Bay. It was an oil painting of Our Lady of Sorrows encased in a wood and silver frame. The fishermen brought it to the church, whereupon the priest ordered the carving of a statue based on the portrait. By virtue of a decree issued by Pope Francis, the original icon was canonically crowned by Archbishop Charles John Brown, Papal Nuncio to the Philippines, on September 15, 2023. In culmination of the coronation events, the Imagen Antiguas was solemnly crowned at the San Pablo Cathedral by Bishop Antonio Tobias on September 24, 2023. Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Turumba. Again, we would like to acknowledge the parish priest and shrine rector, Reverend Father Jerry Obletias, President of Dia de la Turumba, Sister Cynthia Fornoles, President Parish Pastoral Council, Brother Peter Evangelista, President Parish Finance Council, Sister Estela Soriano, Municipal Mayor Paquil, Laguna, Honorable Vincent Soriano, President Alagad ng Birhen, Brother Christopher Kahimat, President Banda Uno, Jeric Marquezano, President Banda Dos, Alan Pasa, President Banda Dosen, John Larry Vito. Kaming nagpapasalamat sa mga taga-Paquil, Laguna.
Kayo'y magsimba.
Muli po kami nagpapasalamat sa mga kasama ng Nuestra Señora de los Dolores de Turumba.
Gabriel!
Ay, dito pala sila sa likod.
Andan na, banda po yung lugar.
Oo nga, ayun pa, may nagagagano pa. Ay! Naiingay. Masyadong naiingay. Dito kayo. Dito tayo doon.
Ang hindi ka ganito ba? Ay, hilang ni Dad kasi basta ako kami.
Maingay.
Kasama kayo sa catering mamaya.
Mabuhay ang mga taga-Paquil, Laguna!
Ito yung sinuot mo shirt, tingin sa may lyrics sa likod.
Ay, oo nga.
Pinipicturean nila.
At least nababasa nila. Nakakanta nila.
Alam nila yung kanta.
Ay!
The Marian images that participate in the Grand Marian procession are produced from various materials. Paint on paper or canvas, polychromed wood or stone, as well as ivory. Ivory is revered as the most precious medium, valued for its rarity and its ability to be carved finely up to the smallest of details. For wood, Batikuling is most favored for its right density and its pest-resisting properties. After carving, the wood is
Salamat po sa Banda 12 mula sa Paki, Laguna. Muli po kami nagpapasalamat sa mga taga-Paki, Laguna.